Hello everybody, Mark Carey here. Merry Christmas from Steepleview Farm. Many of you are already familiar with our devotion to growing the freshest, the best, and the healthiest produce all season long. Well, I'm thrilled to announce that just in time for the holidays, we're now expanding into the gourmet food market. We're now making delicious appetizer glazing and recipe jellies, along with bourbon barbecue sauce, hot sauce, and of course, our always popular local fresh honey, our heirloom tomato sauce, and our farm fresh salsa. Visit our new website at steepleviewfarmstore.com and enjoy special holiday pricing through Christmas. Serve our delicious bourbon peach jalapeno jelly with your favorite goat cheese or cream cheese as a gourmet appetizer. Or glaze your turkey with our delicious orange horseradish habanero jelly. And for all of you deer hunters out there, try our Asian and mushroom jerky and venison marinade to bring out the best in this year's harvest. And with our safe online purchasing, you can shop for gifts from the warmth of your home. Visit us today at steepleviewfarmstore.com, where familiar wholesome goodness has just become gourmet.